Guys, my home Achi for the next 6 months. Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Isa Pujor. Napakaganda ng town na to kung pagka ikutin mo siya. Maliit lang siya, it is pagka inikot mo nga wala pa siya. Ah, Di, ang town center lang sinasabi ko. Pero maluwang siya guys. Pakalat-kalat yung population. Pero kung ikutin mo yung town center, sa mga 1 hour and 30 minutes naman kung mabagal kang maglakad. So, hope you enjoy guys kasi uh, may time tayong lumabas kasi as you can see, nag-start na yung sabi ko nga on my other vlog, summer in Iceland is almost over. So, few months or in the next few months, mostly na mga cruise ship aalis na dito, maghanap na ng summer place biyan. So, you enjoy you guys yung video kasi as you can see, makikita mo maliliit yung mga bahay. Kasi nga, small town lang talaga siya, hindi siya city. But as you can see, very malamig guys, malamig siya kasi sa kabilang part siya ng Iceland, which is napupuntahan lang talaga siya during summer kasi this part of Iceland, ito yung malapit na sa ito yung part na nasa Arctic Circle siya. So during winter it is covered by snow, so population sometimes umaalis, so kukunti lang ang population. Pero as this moment summer, may mga maliliit na nagtatayo ng business kasi nga may mga passenger ships na mga dumarating. Ang natitira dito guys during winter is mga expedition lang. Last time winter andito kami, which is very harsh talaga guys. Halos ang buong lugar na to is covered by ice. So as of now, may enjoy mo kasi nga summertime in Iceland. So, hope you enjoy this video guys, and thank you very much for watching. So guys, start na tayo. Papasok na tayo ng town center. Ito nakakita yung mga bahay. Typical na Icelandic structure, no? Pero magaganda siya guys. As you can see, kung ang isang lugar is tahimik, people are well disciplined. Hindi ka tagal mayroong bakod pero walang gate. So, ang bakod is decoration lang. You see? Um, ang mga kotse nasa labas lang bahay, it means safe siya. Kasi nakita nyo guys, halos walang naglalakad early in the morning. Siguro, mostly ang opening stores ng Iceland is nag-start sila ng 11:30 and then closing at mga ganun din, mga 10 in the evening. So, yeah, ito yung town center guys. Go with me hanggang sa may pinaka maliit na plaza. Babagalan ko lang yung paglakad ko para ma-enjoy niyo yung ayan, typical house in Iceland. Sa mga town to, this is far from Reykjavik, the capital, which is malalaki na rin yung building nun. Dito, it's a very small town, which is ayan, I think there is a police station up here, but kasi nga, very safe town, very clean, the environment is cold, kasi nga, we are now working at the town center, so, okay guys, enjoy, I will see you soon. Ito yung sinasabi ko guys, napakaliit lang ng nila, yung plaza nila. Dito na yung pinaka-middle, andito na yung, yan, yung nakikita niya. It is been a part of, pinaka-plaza nila. I have no idea kung anong ibig sabihin itong rainbow na to. Kasi sa, Reykjavik, meron din ganyan. So, nasa plaza rin nila. Meron to siyang ibig sabihin, pero, ito na yung pinaka-town plaza guys. Ayan.